Today we're going to cover a little bit about ROs and the simple filters that you have in your refrigerator or your Brita filter, some of the aftermarket ones that you can just pour water through and get better quality water. Let's first talk about the simple filters. An inline filter like this, whether it goes in the refrigerator or behind the refrigerator, is basically filled with carbon fines. And also a screen. And usually some kind of paper filter. The water then will pass through, the chlorine will be removed, some other contaminants that could be in your water also, but it's very limited in what it can do. But it does help with taste and odor. If we compare that to a reverse osmosis system, the first filter right here is a sediment filter. It's going to catch any debris that your water softener does not catch, or if you don't have a water softener, whatever's coming in through your city water or well water. The next one is an activated carbon filter, very similar to what is in this one. The big difference between refrigerators, filters, and Brita filters is the membrane. This is where reverse osmosis takes place, and it's passing water through a semi-permeable membrane so that only the pure molecule, water molecule, can get to the other side. That's the last one right there. So if you're just using a filter, yes, it's going to help with taste, some chlorine, smell, but if you really want pure water, or as close to pure water as we can get, then we recommend that you upgrade to an RO system. It's going to give you as good a water as any bottled water on the market, a lot of times even better. If you have any questions, just reach out and give us a call. Thank you.